That is a lot of purple. Amazing. That's crazy. It looks amazing. Are those airbags?
Yeah.
Yeah? Heard them. How much to put those in?
I got an old airbag system, an
Yeah.
old air ride system, so it's $3,000.
$3,000? That's not bad, actually.
No.
Considering lowering like
Like a new one, $6,000.
Yeah, exactly. Holy jeez. Amazing. No, I love it. Great setup. Plum Loca. Yeah, it's even got the, that's a nice cold air intake.